Hello everyone, welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. This video is about problem 167, which is to sum 2 input array is sorted. So let's just read the problem. Given a 1, 2 indexed array of integers numbers that is already sorted in non-decreasing order, so it's just ascending, it's like 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. It's never 1 is smaller than the next one, always bigger. No, one is always smaller than the next one, it's never bigger. Find two numbers that they add up to a specific target number. Let these two numbers be nums of index 1, nums of index 2, where 1, well, it's all the way up to the length. And then we need to return the indices of the two numbers, added by 1. There's exactly one solution. Cool, so we know there's one solution. This makes it easier. So let's see, numbers 2, 7, 11, 15, and the target is 9. So that's 2 plus 7. And same thing, 2, 3, 4, target is 6, is 2 plus 4. And we also take negative numbers, which, well, also exist. So cool. The strategy will be, let me just open Paint. The strategy is simple. Since the array is sorted, we can just go and iterate through the edges and then shorten the edges according to the sum of the edges. So let me just increase the font size. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. And we want to, the target number is 9. Okay, so we start with 1 plus 7 is 8. It's okay, it's smaller. So it's smaller, we just forget about 1. We move on. So 3 plus 7. Oh, it's too big because it's 10. So we do 3 plus 6. Oh, 3 plus 6 is 9. Great, so we just return this index and this index. It's so simple. This works because it's sorted. And if it gets too big, you just move this one to the right. If it gets too small, you can move this to the right. If you get a too big number, you move this to the left. Let's implement this real quick. So we start with the left index, which is 0, and the right index, which is the length of numbers minus 1. And while left index is smaller than right index, yeah, by the way, you can't sum the same number with itself. So the indexes must always be different. So it's like you can't do 5 plus 5 for a target 10. You can't do that. But there's always a solution. So this, you don't even need to do it. So left value equals numbers of left index. Same thing for the right one. And now the current sum is left val plus right val. And if current sum equals target, you return left index, right index. And actually on the problem they say, not this one, they say that you should return the index added by 1. So we just come here, left index plus 1, right index plus 1. Else if the current sum is smaller than the target, so left index plus equals 1. Else, so the current sum is bigger than the target, right index minus equals 1. Let's just submit. Okay. Beats 31, beats 46. We just check out solutions using binary search and 2 pointers. Yeah, we could do that. Oh, this is actually different. This would be, we would iterate, let's say, we would go for the first position and then we would binary search a complement that would add to it and reach the target. If we don't find it, then we go to the next one. I think the complexity is still the same. Actually, it might even be worse. Well, I'm happy with the results. So, hope you guys liked it. See you later.